Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
What are we learning today?
Dule.
Oh, today we're learning how to turn a sentence into the negative. So, to say I sit in Setswana is ke adula.
Ke adula.
But to say I don't sit in Setswana is ga ke dule. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Ke adula is the positive form of the sentence. To turn it into the negative, we start with ga. Ke stays in the same place, but we take away the a. And we change the verb ending from a to e. So, dula becomes dule. Ga ke dule. So, to say I speak in Setswana is ke abua. But to say I don't speak in Setswana is ga ke bue. And to say I sing in Setswana is ke a opela. But to say I don't sing in Setswana is ga ke opele. And now you know how to turn sentences into the negative. Goodbye, Abuti.
Salas intle.
Sama